Hello everybody. We'll continue with our discussion of electric potential. Up till now we have learned how to find out potential difference between 2 points if electric field is known to us. Now we'll learn how to find out electric field if potential at all points are known. This time potential will be given to us and we'll have to find the field. Let us recall the things which we have learned earlier. That will be of use. This was the thing. If we undergo a displacement dr in a region where there is some electric field, the potential changes by dV. dV is minus E dot dr, or this is E dr cos theta. So this is our topic, electric field as potential gradient. Let us imagine a region of space given by the xy coordinates this way, x-axis, y-axis, the origin. We have a point over here P whose x coordinate is x and y coordinate is y. Our basic problem is to find out the electric field at this point, and we know all the potential of all the points present nearby. Now if we move through a certain distance in this direction, say dx, this way, the concerned displacement will be dx along x-axis, dx I cap. So here the displacement vector, small displacement dr, is dx I cap. This is the thing. Now if we are moving in this direction, we will also observe some change in potential dV. We know the formula, basic formula for dV. dV is minus E dot dr. Let us write it down. dV is minus E dot dr. Now let this electric field E be expressed in its Cartesian form as Ex I cap plus Ey j cap. Forget about the z component right now. So E is Ex I cap plus Ey, where Ex and Ey are the x and y components of the field. And this dr, it's simply dx I cap. So here we'll just substitute it and we'll have this thing. Now let us take the dot product. Ex I cap with this one. I cap dot I cap is 1. So this will give you simply Ex dx, minus Ex dx. dV is minus Ex dx. So from here we will have Ex as minus dV by dx. The x component of electric field Ex is minus times the rate of change of potential with respect to x. Or we could say that this x component of electric field is the rate of decrease of potential, drop in potential by the distance moved. From here we can write down a unit of this electric field, volt per meter. Anyhow, this conclusion, x component of electric field is equal to the rate of decrease of potential with respect to distance along the x direction. Means, suppose I want to find the value of x component over here. I'll move a small distance dx, note down the change in potential, which is denoted by minus dV, and divided by the distance moved. Similarly, we can compute the y component of field. Let's see how to do. Now for the y component of field, let's again begin with this diagram. Here is point P. Now this time we would be moving upward by a distance dy, not in this direction. We'll move upward by distance dy. This will be shown in the figure. Let's draw this dy. Now if we move this dy in this direction, our displacement is dy j cap this way, Because of our displacement in this direction, there will be a change in potential dV. dV again has the same formula, minus E vector dot dr vector. This one, minus E vector dot dr. Again for E we'll substitute it in its Cartesian form, Exi cap plus Eyj cap, and dr is, let's put the values. This is what we have. Now if we take the dot product, this term I dot j will be 0, j dot j will be 1, we will have minus Ey dy. So dV is minus Ey dy. So from here we'll have the y component of field Ey as minus dV by dy. This is about the y component of field. So if we need to find out y component of field, we'll move a small distance along y-axis dy. Note down the drop in potential, that is minus dV. Divide the drop in potential by the distance moved, minus dV by dy. So y component of field is the rate of decrease of potential with respect to distance along the y-axis. So y component of electric field is equal to rate of decrease of potential with respect to distance along y direction. Similarly, we can write down for z component also. Anyway, now let us conclude. The x component of electric field is equal to rate of decrease of potential with respect to distance along x direction. And we have the formula. Ex is minus dV by dx, this way. Similarly for the y component, the y component of field is equal to the rate of decrease of potential with respect to distance along y direction. And its formula, Ey is minus dV by dy. Similarly z component, we haven't actually calculated it, but it's the same. The z component of field is the rate of decrease of potential with respect to distance along z direction, and hence the formula. So ultimately, component of electric field along any direction is equal to the rate of decrease of potential with respect to distance in that particular direction. This is our basic result. Component of electric field along any direction is equal to the rate of decrease of potential with respect to distance along that particular direction.